As the new school year starts, so do the many clubs here at Douglas. For our new students, it may be difficult to find out about the clubs they may want to join. Luckily, we have an event for this. This event is
Club Rush.
Club Rush.
Club Rush.
Club Rush is an event hosted at the beginning of every school year at Douglas. During advisory, clubs will set up tables, and students will get the opportunity to talk to members of these clubs to find out what they're all about.
So Club Rush is we always do it at the beginning of the year. We have sign-up sheets for all of the different clubs and organizations and sports that we have here at Douglas so that students can come through and just see what we have to offer.
There are many benefits to joining a club here at Douglas.
All extracurriculars look good on any kind of college applications, scholarship applications, really anything.
It's really easy to make a lot of friends, and it's really easy to find stuff that you're interested in and just have fun for the whole school year.
You get like a community of people that have similar interests as you and just people to like hang out with and like do something fun together.
And for new students, a club could be the first step to finding your community at Douglas.
It is a great way to make friends and get involved in the school, and especially if you're a freshman, joining any kind of club is just, you should join as many clubs as you can to meet as many people as you can.
So make sure to keep an eye out for clubs, stay engaged, and find your community.